Hey guys, welcome back to the Ambivert Junior. And yeah, today I bought some items for my room. So these are the things that I'm going to do unboxing, and yeah, I'm so excited. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So a week ago, I ordered some of the IKEA items from Proton Realty, which is the largest IKEA supplier in Myanmar. And yeah, today I have received the items, and yeah, the price is very nice. So let's see what we've got here. So the first item is called TAGARP according to the spelling, but I don't know if I pronounce it correct. And yeah, this is kind of floral lamp, and as my room is kind of dark in night, and I like being cozy, so I think I may need to buy a new floral lamp for myself, and this will be the very first floral lamp that I have bought in my life. So yeah, I'm so excited to see what it looks like. Oh my god, I love it. And the second one is REGOLIT lamp, which is kind of very aesthetic because it could be damaged so easily, but as long as you keep it in the safe place, it would be very nice for your own.
It's the way life changes when in love. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one. Yeah, yeah.
Damn, it's so cool. Okay, the third one is a drying rack, which is a complete setup already, so no need to unbox, but let's take a look.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Well, this is the final look in a daytime, so yeah, enjoy it.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Alright guys, so this is the end of the video and thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. See ya!